Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this beautiful dollar store DIY. This is a jewelry box that I just made. If you want to see how I put everything together, just keep on watching. So I bought this box at the Dollarama a while back. I think I paid $2 or $3 for it. Very simple in its natural state. Has a couple of hinges on the back, but decided that I was going to spruce it up a little bit and make it into something beautiful. So here are the items needed for this DIY. Here's the box. I spray painted it silver, just a light coating, especially on the inside because I wanted to take it out of its natural state and for it to have that glittery background. So you'll need your box, of course. I also bought these giant size gemstones from the Dollarama. They were $2 each and they are huge, but they are absolutely beautiful. I also got me some mirror tiles, also from the Dollarama. These are very hard to come by, but an alternative to the mirror tiles are some bling wrap. You will also need your X-Acto knife, some Gorilla Glue sticks, that's what I use because it's very strong, and I'm going to be using some contact cement as well for that long-lasting hold, and you know it, I always have my hot glue gun. So the first thing I'll be doing in this project is to add the mirror tiles all over the box. I've already pre-measured them and I have removed the backing from this piece. And what I'll be doing, as I stated earlier, for a long-lasting hole is adding the contact cement to it so that when I lay it down, it holds very, very long and it does not peel off after a while. So just adding my cement here, and then I'm going to lay it on top of the box, starting with the lid, and then I will work my way around. So I'm just flipping it over, adding it on, and then I'm just going to press it in to make sure that it adheres. Remember, if you're not able to get the mirror tiles, use your bling wrap for a similar effect. So here it is, fully covered with the mirror tiles. I think it looks really cute at this point, but let's go ahead and add some more embellishments to the lid. So here I am. What I'm doing right now is adding the diamonds to the top of the box. So I'm just arranging them in a desired pattern. And once I have that pattern done, then I will start the gluing process. Always put them down first the way you'd like to see them before you start gluing. Otherwise, you can have a big old mess on your hand and it's going to be a lot of work to pull it apart. Okay, so I am using my hot glue gun and just adding some glue to the very bottom of it, and then I'm going to sit it down in the spot that it was before. If you notice here, I am not using the contact cement because I did not like it. Gave it a yellowish color under the stone that I did not like at all. So I'm just going in with a hot glue gun using the Gorilla Glue sticks. But I believe you will be fine if you use the E6000 because the E6000 dries clear. So again, don't use the contact cement. You will not like the color that it gives at the bottom. Now I know you might be asking, why did I cover the lid of the box with the mirror tiles if I was going to add the gems to it? Well, as you can see, there are little spaces between the gems, and I wanted to make sure that I still had that mirror and that glitter coming through, and I just wasn't getting that with just the spray painted lid. And here it is, you guys. I've added all the gems and I think it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. And here it is. Now we are ready for styling. And here we are, all done. If you notice, I added some more gemstones at the front because the more I looked at it, I did not like that little lock thing that it had at the front. So I popped that off at the top and then I just added the diamonds all the way across. Isn't that beautiful? I have paired it with a couple of tea light candle holders just for the video, but it will be in maybe in my bathroom with some of my jewelry in it. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on this piece. Right now for this display, I have it sitting on a candle stand. But hey, who knows? As I move it around, throughout my house, I'll switch it up as I go. But I think it turned out great and I really, really love this piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget the notification bell. That way you're the first to know when I upload a video. Thanks again for watching, and until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.